Let's understand how losses from different sources can be set off and carry forward. Loss from house property is very simple. It can be set off against any kind of income. Long-term capital loss can be set off only against long-term capital gain. Short-term capital loss can be set off against any capital gain, short-term or long-term. Basically, the principle is that you can set it off against income which is taxed at the same rate or lower rate. Normal business loss can be set off against any other income except salary. Speculative loss can be set off against only speculative income. In case any loss remains after set off in the same year, it can be carried forward for up to next 8 years, except in case of a speculative loss where it can be carried forward only for 4 years. In future years, set off provision is little different. House property losses can be set off only against house property income. Long-term capital loss can be set off only against long-term capital gain. Short-term capital loss can be set off either against short-term or long-term capital gain. Now again, business loss can be set off only against non-speculative business income, not from any other income. Speculative loss can be set off only against speculative income. Let's look at an important point on capital loss on sale of a property. Only actual loss can be set off and carried forward. Loss due to cost indexation cannot be set off. Very important. Let's take an example. Suppose you buy a property for 1 crore in March 2017, which you sell it for 1.2 crore in March 2025. Without cost indexation, your long-term capital gain obviously is 20 lakh and the tax at 12.5% is 2.5 lakh. Now to save this tax, you choose the option of cost indexation, then the long-term capital loss would be 17.5 lakh. Hence, there would be no tax payable. But remember, this 17.5 lakh is not an actual loss, so it cannot be set off, neither can it be carried forward. If sold for less than 1 crore, then obviously it would be a genuine loss, actual loss, and such loss can be set off and carried forward too. Anyway, for property purchased after 23rd July 2024, this indexation option is not there. Hopefully I'm clear about set off and carry forward of losses. If you have any queries, just drop me a message.